Hey guys, this is the 14.2 video. Gotta go kind of fast because my phone's dying and all that good mess. Anyway, we have this integral here. We're integrating in terms of y. We get the integral from 0 to 5 of x times the ln of e to the x minus ln of 1 dx. ln of 1 is 0. ln of e to the x can be written as x ln e, where ln e is 1. This is right here is a log property. If you don't know those, you really need to review them. And if I'm going too fast for you to write all this down, feel free to pause it. But I am going to just kind of walk you through the steps. So then we just have x times x is x squared. The integral from 0 to 5 of x squared is x cubed over 3 from 0 to 5, which is 125 over 3. And for the next problem, we have that the double integral of this function here is equal to 10, and the double integral of this function here is equal to -3. But we want to know the double integral of the first function minus the second function, which turns out just be the integral of the first function minus the integral of the second function, which is 10 minus -3. And if you subtract a negative, that's the same as adding, so you get 13. Now, feel free to go back and pause that where you needed it paused. This next one, I'm just going to be doing a setup because that seems to be everyone's problem. No one really struggles with the integral itself. So we want the integral of the function 3 minus y minus 3x, and that's what z equals. Z equals that function. And in order to find our limits of integration, I'm doing this dy dx because that's what I like to do. In order to find our limits of integration, we have z equals 3 minus y minus 3x. Plug in 0 for z. Solve for y. And just to let you know, this is going to be with a boundary of your coordinate plane, so you also have to consider x equals 0 and y equals 0. So both of these are going to be starting at 0. And we're doing y first, and we just figured out that y equals 3 minus 3x. So we're going to plug that in up here. And now to solve for x, x goes from 0 to 1. And that's the setup of this nice, lovely integral. Sorry I had to go so fast, guys. I'll be here for just a second, let you pause it, copy it down, process everything. Remember that this over here is because some of your boundaries are your coordinate planes, which is like your xy plane and all that. Anyway, I'm glad I'm able to help you guys. I'm going to be trying to do a lot of videos, so please put up with me being like this. Bye, see you next one.